One of the best electric SUVs can be found in BMW showrooms today. iX is a mid-size SUV similar in size to the brand's famous X5, but equipped with two electric motors instead of a single gasoline engine. The entry-level xDrive 50 model offers 516 horsepower, but, in true BMW style, there is a performance-oriented M60 trim with 610 horses. 9 impresses with a cabin design that expertly blends futuristic infotainment technology with high-end materials. The iX gets an update to its Parking Assistant Professional feature for 2024 that allows buyers to park the SUV remotely via a smartphone app. The system can remember up to 10 different locations and the maneuvers the iX needs to perform to park at those locations, giving drivers the option to park with a single tap. 2 different variants of the iX are offered, the first being the xDrive 50, which is powered by a pair of electric motors that combined produce 516 horsepower. All-wheel drive is standard. The high-performance variant, called the M60, offers 610 horsepower and estimates that it is enough to get the mid-size SUV to 60 miles per hour in just 3.2 seconds. The iX uses a large 105.2 kilowatt-hour battery pack that the EPA estimates will offer a driving range of up to 324 miles per charge. DC fast charging capability is standard, and the iX can recharge from 10% to 80% in just 35 minutes when connected to a 200 kilowatts connection. BMW has partnered with Eve-Gaunto to provide a network of public charging stations for 9 drivers. The interior design of the 9 is simple and modern with a number of high-tech elements, including a large curved touchscreen instrument panel and hexagonal-shaped steering wheel. BMW offers a large panoramic sunroof featuring electrochromic shading as an option, a trick feature found on only a few vehicles. The powered front seats are also heated and feature integrated speakers for the 9 stereo system. Faux leather and genuine leather upholstery are offered, but BMW also offers a textile upholstery material option dubbed Loft that uses microfiber fabric.